Hey guys, I'm Adam Fenig with Fenig Equipment. You're tuned into the Talking Shed. Today, we're looking at one of the more unique projects we've done in a little while. You've seen a lot of guys doing the cover crop crimping, and here we've got a Yetter Devastator mounted on the front of this John Deere 7000 6-row, and it comes in 3 sections. So this is a new style from Yetter Manufacturing. It allows us to, when we put the planter down, the Devastator comes back is spring loaded, and we've got that chevron pattern all across that roller to crimp and kill that cover crop. So this is going to be available for several different planter models, whether you've got a front fold 1770 or of course 7000s like this. But it's a pretty unique feature, and we're able to do it to where we don't interfere with coulters or whenever he's turning his tractor. So I think you'll be seeing a lot more of these Devastators mounted on the front of planters. It makes a lot of sense for crimping that rye, and you can certainly get them here at Fenig Equipment. So that's what we're talking about today, the new cover crop crimper. Thanks for tuning in.